So this is the GPS and Xonovate School interface. And today we are going to show you how a water monitoring, a water level monitoring system works. So if you want to know whether how your water, the water in your polytank is. For example, if there's no or very little water in your polytank, the color will be color red. When there is little or medium water, it will be color orange. When there's a lot of water, it will be color green. So the cycle goes: no water, red; little water, orange; lot of water, green. So we go red, yellow, green. So now my assistants are not going to show us the movement, and I shall shade them, and I shall say the colors.
So this one is color red. This one is color red.
We can't hear you.
Color yellow and color green. So this one we do red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green.
So if you want to know how your polytank is full or empty, you have to check the sensor, or maybe to check whether the water is full. So you have to check the number like from 0 to 1000 or this. So you have to check.
So this is medium water, this is lots of water, this is no water, this is medium water, this is a lot of water.
Alright, can I get the next?
And water sensor. Show the level, blah blah blah.
We learned that when it touches red, when the LED is on red, that means
There's no water.
there's no water on the water sensor. When water touches the sensor a little bit,
So if there is
when the water touches the sensor a little bit, it tells you.
like this.
So now we are assembling it. When the water touches a little bit, it turns yellow. And now when it touches its fully, this is green. It turns green.
And
So this is what you can tell you about the water sensor.
one more thing. And so when the water sensor is wet, it turns yellow.
So when it's cleaned, it turns back to red.
And so when there's no any water still,
See, there's no water, so that means it turns red.
but when there's a little water inside, it turns
Yellow.
yellow. And but when the water is that's what we can tell you about water sensor.
Good afternoon. So today we are doing a water level monitoring. So this is how it goes. After the connections, these are the readings. If it is red, it shows that there's no or little water. So as we can see, there is no water here. There's no water here, which makes the light red. Immediately I deposit here. It becomes green, which shows that there's a lot of water. When the water is medium or little bit, it becomes yellow. So that is all about the water. That is it. The material used are 3 legs. It depends on your choice. You need jumping wires, an Arduino cable, an Arduino board, either Uno or Nano. And if you want a resistor along with a breadboard, and that is all you need, along with the power source.
And we can also say
Bye
And you can
bye.
also say that when the light turns yellow, it means it is on its medium level, and when it turns red, there's no water on it. So that means it is low. And when it turns green, there's a full water.
Bye bye.